Hi everyone, Happy New Year 2020. I'm really happy to start very important session today, Time and Us. In this video series session, I'm planning to share how we can utilize our time in better way by planning. I'm going to start today by sharing my 2020 plan. 8,760 hours with me for 2020. I broadly classified my all activities into two important categories. One is energizing hours, execution hours. In this 8760 hours, 58% of my hours, that is 5110 hours, will going for energizing hour. Energizing hours is nothing but preparing myself to execute whatever I want to achieve. So you might be surprised why I spend 58% of my time for only preparation. I like to share with you. That is the only and key secret for me to develop myself sustainably throughout my life. So rest of the 48% of hour, I am planning to use it for executing, means my action to execute my plans. This is coming around 3650 hours. Again, I have 6 broad activity segregation in each sections. Let us see what are the key thing I am planning to do in the energizing hours. I derived these 12 important sections based on my regular activities, based on my current life. So the first and foremost and important thing is sleeping and resting. You all surprised why I kept this as a first thing? Because that I believe it is very important for me to have my own energy and clear thinking, everything. This is the very source. So I am planning to spend almost 2,738 hours in 2020 for resting and sleeping. So this will come around 31% of total hours. Next and very important thing is for my inner strength and inner peace. This I am going to achieve through the activities like meditation, practicing meditation. For this purpose, 365 hours, it's coming around 4% of total hours. Then third important activity is for physical strength. And these activities cover many activities. I will be having very detailed, each activities I will have the detailed video in the coming sessions. So in the physical activities, I will be spending almost 6% of time, which is coming around 548 hours. Then I will be spending another 548 hours for my food preparations. Then going to very important point is my general routine. Everybody need a time. I will be using somewhere around 6% of my total time. It is 548 hours for general routines. And then the key point, based on these many years of experience, I will be specially and dedicate 365 hours only for socializing. So these hours very important, mainly used to build the relationship. So daily at least I spend minimum of 1 hour to build the relationship. This is very important. And then these 6 categories are going for my preparatory things, that is energizing hours. and second important category where I will be keeping another 6 sections. In that, most of the things, as I am going to spend my the rest of the life for mostly learning new things and sharing that knowledge to the people and creating various format of like writing as a poems or stories and creating music and doing the training program. All these activities going to come in the rest of the execution section. This all mostly dedicated to the sustainable development of the people. So in this section, I have mainly first and foremost thing, my 8% of time will go for understanding the culture, society and their life and new languages learning, all this going under this particular section. And 4% of time, means 365 hours, will be used for mainly learning new things. And then coming to very important thing, 8% of time which will be used for almost 730 hours will be used for music. In music, what are things I am going to do will be sharing to you surely. You know, in 2019 we achieved many things like that. 2020 it will be great. So I will be sharing what are the things I am planning to do in 2020, especially in music. Then coming to my close friend, it is like writing. Earlier I used pen and papers. Nowadays it is only laptop. So it is easy, I can write more. 2019 I think crossed more than 2500 poems. Surely 2020 we will have some targets to cross. So writing I will be spending 4% of time, that is coming around 365 hours. Coming to the very key part, the core area, here I am really going to work with very important social challenges, doing some critical projects. So people who are interested can join and contribute to this project. I will be spending almost 13% of my time, which is around 1095 hours for social change making projects. This is very, very important for 2020. All my work is towards contributing to this. So, but it is in different formats, that's all. But dedicated to this social change or social positive change making works, it will be like critically 1095 hours, will go for it. And then the final important thing is learning the technologies and sharing that knowledge to the public for the sustainable development. So 4% of time, 365 hours, I will be spending for this purpose. So now this is the plan. This is the higher level plan I shared to you. It might be like very big targets, how he will achieve all those things might be in your mind. I shared now. I will be soon share to you what it's done in 2019. So you will be thinking, okay, it is possible. How a single person can do these things? There might be a big question when we starting, but once you start executing, this is the right moment. I want to remind you that is the main reason I am spending more time for preparation. That is 58% of my total time will go for my preparatory work. That is making sure that I will be achieving what are the things I want to, I plan to achieve in the particular time period. So, once again, I like to convey my greetings to all of you and your family members. Happy New Year. This plan is a higher level plan. I am planning to share more detailed things in each section very soon in this series. Not only for mine, I am planning to share surely how I spend my time when I am working, means working for some other people in any organization almost it is 15 years how it's spent, and I split it in the early stages and when in the middle, and then we are working in the very close to the executive bodies of the company, and then we will go back to college, how time and me, and then go to school, how time and me. Surely it will going to help everyone in their life. I believe that is the main reason I started this particular series, Time and Us. I hope you surely going to get benefit from this series. I will be making this in both English and Tamil. People who can understand Tamil can listen to it. Surely you can refer that to the people who know Tamil, and other people they can use it in English. And people who are very having knowledge in different languages can join me to help to translate this in other languages too. And if you have specific life and you want to see how that will fit in this particular program or the knowledge sharing session, you can also share how you are spending your 8760 hours. That will be help to someone else. Thank you once again. We will continue this session. Especially, these are all not only theoretical. It is really practical. Whatever I executed and whatever I am going to execute, that's what I am sharing to you. And in that process, I will be sharing how I am doing also. So this will give more practical approach and possible thing, so that you can do it in your life. Thank you. See you soon with another important and detailed video. Thank you.